Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached a milestone and it's time to celebrate a journey that spans over a decade.
That's right. It's been an incredible 11 years filled with memories, challenges, achievements, and growth. And what better way to capture this essence of our journey through a special song dedicated to these wonderful years?
Absolutely. So without further ado, let us introduce this heartfelt tribute that encapsulates the spirit of our 11 years journey.
It's a beautiful composition that captures the essence of our journey, and we hope it brings out fond memories for everyone present here tonight.
Get ready to witness the decimal success saga of Edify with 10 different dance forms, a sumptuous treat for your eyes. Get, set, go!
భవ్యమైన ఆత్మభావం రమ్యమైన జీవరాగం నవ్యమైన నిత్యతాళం నిఖిల జగతి మూలం.
Evolution. Edify evolves education to ecstasy and learning from the year 2012 to mold eligible and noble future citizens of the nation.
ದಿನ 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 ನಗ 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 ತಿಕ್ಕ ದಾನ 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 ದಿಗಿಟ ದಿಗಿಟ ದಗಿನ ದಾನ ದಾಕ್ರ ದಾನ ದಿಗಿಟ ನಗದ ಧೀ 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 ಧಾನ ಧಾನ ಗೆಂತಡಾನ ದಾನ ದಾನ ಗೆಂತಡಾನ ದಾನ ದಾನ ಗೆಂತಡಾನ ಅತಿನವನೀತ ಅಭಿನಯ ರಾಜ ಗೋಕುಲ ಬಾಲ ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ ವಿರಹ ನರಕ ಶ್ರೀ ರಕ್ಷಕಮಾಲ ಕಮ್ಮನಿ కలలను కల్పితే చాలా కన్నీయ కౌకిలి చేరగలేవా ఊహల మాకిట ఉండదురా కల వెన్నెల చిందు వరం మీరా పూతన గర్భమణంచిన వాడ పాపపు విరహము పరిగుణరాల మనసుంటే మాయా వీర మనసుంటే మాయా వీర మనసుంటే మాయా వీర.
Essential. Edify serves all the essential needs of the learners to engage them in global learning process with better infra, with better amenities, and best outcomes for the needs of today and tomorrow. Emphasize. Edify exclusively empathize and emphasize the all-round development of an individual and embedded its curriculum with various clubs and activities.
झुमेरे गोरी घुमेरे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे. झुमेरे गोरी घुमेरे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे. शर्म छोड़ी थोड़ी थोड़ी नैनों की ये बोले छोड़ी बेशर्मी करने दे रे. झुमेरे गोरी घुमेरे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे.
to put in its energy to establish the Eclectic Future Citizenhood with unique themes every year. Education at Edify encrypts pressure learning to pleasure learning. Encourage. Edify, with its enthralling education process, serves the needs of every eligible individual in day school and boarding facilities.
আগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় আগুনের মোহনায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় আগুনের মোহনায় ও মোর মন হারিয়ে যায় মোর মন হারিয়ে যায় কন্যার তোর ভাবনা ঝিলমিলিয়ে যায় রে ঝিলমিলিয়ে যায় কোন চেনা দেশের তরে তোর সাথে ইতে পান্তয় তোর মনের প্রজাপতি নাচি নাচি ঘুরি ঘুরি উড়ি উড়ি উড়ে যায় মন হারানোর ঠিকানায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনের মোহনায়
The enchanting atmosphere encourages the edifiers for an exquisite learning process and conferred with various awards like First Green School Award with Gold Rating by IGBC in the year 2017, AP Green School Award by the Government of AP in the year 2018, Educational World Grand Jury Award in the year 2018, and Environmental Friendly School Award in the year 2019. sharing values and efforts, engaging edifiers to express ways of living. Emphasis on being human through the community service clubs. Edify is for excellence. Excellence in all the ways, excellence for enrichment of future citizens and bagged honors like Best CBSE School, Best Sports Education School, Co-Curricular Activity School, and Best Infrastructure School for the year 2019-20, Best Residential School of the year 2020. The enduring standards that Edify evolve towards the betterment in education, energizes the essentials in education, emphasizes needs of the students, energizes the learning process, educates the process of education, encourages the static learning, engages edifiers with its global learning process, enchanting excellent and energy-filling environments.
कश्मीर में तू कन्याकुमारी नॉर्थ साउथ की कट गई देखो दूरी ही सारी कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी 50-50 हर सिचुएशन में हिस्सेदारी
Dear parents, they deserve a big round of applause.